Today we explore a compact residence in Tokyo, known simply as the house with membrane roof. Designed by Yuko Nagayama and Associates in collaboration with Shohei Yoshida plus Associates, this 62-square-meter home responds to the constraints of its dense urban site. Surrounded on all sides by neighboring buildings and offering only a narrow street frontage, the design rejects traditional large windows and instead turns its attention upward, inviting light into the interior from above. At the heart of the project is a roof crafted from a flexible, double-layer membrane. This roof is not a static covering, but a sculptural surface that channels soft, diffuse daylight into the upper level and down through an atrium to the spaces below. Light filters through the membrane's translucent surface, creating a dynamic interplay of brightness and shadow that shifts with the sun and weather throughout the day. The spatial organization is simple yet carefully considered. The second floor functions as the primary public zone, filled with gentle, luminous light that reinforces a sense of openness despite the compact footprint. Below, quieter and more enclosed spaces such as the bedroom and bath reside on the ground floor, where daylight is deliberately subdued, evoking the calm, protective quality of a cave-like interior. Instead of a conventional garden, the architects introduced an indoor green space within the skylit atrium. Here, a single tree thrives under the ethereal glow of the membrane roof, bringing vegetation into the life of the home and allowing occupants to experience nature directly rather than through a window. This gesture reinforces the theme of intimate connection between interior life and the natural rhythms of light and growth. The membrane roof also serves environmental functions beyond daylighting. Its layered composition integrates structural support, insulation, and ventilation, allowing air to circulate naturally within the roof cavity. Throughout the day, the quality of light transforms, from bright and white in the morning to warmer hues at dusk, making the roof itself a sensitive mediator between the exterior environment and the interior experience of dwelling.